Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Nawuqala ukungena kuleli khasi cofa i-button subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola indaba njengoba zinjalo. Namhlanje ke ka-M eHoli bekunomcimbi we-MKP Youth League. Lapho ke bekunesikhulumi esiqavile umholi wabo uBonginkosi Khanyile. Awuyizwele ukuthi ke ubethini ke uBonginkosi Khanyile nango.
Viva MK, viva! Viva MK, viva! Viva MK Youth League, 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 viva! Tata MK Youth League, tata! Viva MK Women's League, viva! Viva MK Women's League, viva! Wathinta abafazi! Wathinta abafazi! Chikitela President Zuma, Chikitela. Chikitela President Zuma, Chikitela. Tata President Zuma, tata. Tata President Zuma, tata. Comrades, can I pass my revolutionary greetings to President Zuma in his absentia? Clap hands for President Zuma. Can I pass my revolutionary greetings to my leaders in front? Zokada. Ngokele ngethani uqola. Undoda. Cela ubingelele abafundisi ubaba uNgelekenjana. Ngibingelele abalaphi bendabuko abakhona ngaphakathi kwethu. Ngibingelele ubuholi be-motherboard from i-region, izone, ama-ward, ama-branch trustee, no coordinator, no convener. Ngibingelele Women's League, comrades. Viva Women's League, viva! Cela ngishayele izandla Women's League, comrades. The zone is a very revolutionary zone, Women's League. We are inspired by them. So xoxa ngelinye ilanga ukuthi indaba inspired by them. Cela ukubingelela comrades i-Youth League. Cebana the provincial leaders ngibingelela ngokukhethekile i-region iLembe. Cela kushayela izandla iLembe comrades. Kune-program ekhona eLembe ye-Youth League esiyisupportayo. Uthe unobhala cha ngoba wena hlala ukhona ngale ngicela ukuza ngize ngala ngoba siyi-Youth League eyodwa. Ngibingelele i-Youth League ngokuhlukana kwegaba zayo. Ngibingelele nelunga lephalamende elisafoxile. Ngikuhlale kunje comrades, siyazolana nawe. Asazi ushawelani kodwa mhlawumbe kuyolunga ngelinye ilanga. Comrades, ngicela ukubingelela nina nonke enikwazile ukuthi nifike la. Ngicela nishaya izandla comrades. Comrades, ngicela nishaya izandla on one basis. This program, comrades, this program today was heavy. Even nezingenamba ezinkulu. We are here, comrades, without transport. We are here without buses. We are here without t-shirts. We are here without food. We are here without drinks. But we have came here to convene in a program of the Youth League because we believe that for a revolution to continue, we don't need food, we don't need t-shirts, we don't need buses. We need our souls and our consciousness. Can you clap hands for yourself, please? Usathane sinenqobile. Bakhansela amabhasi, bakhansela ukudla, bakhansela inkimba. Kodwa njenge-Youth League, njenge-Women's League, njenge-MK, we said we are going to assemble because the revolution does not demand t-shirts and food. It demands your head, your soul and your body. Clap hands for yourself, comrades. Clap hands. proud of you, comrades. Ngiyakholwa, comrades, ukuthi with you in the revolution is safe. Ngoba niprovile, comrades, ukuthi ningumkhonto, aningona umkhonto ngeyikhipha, aningona umkhonto ngokudla, aningona umkhonto ngokuxokisa, ningumkhonto ngokweqiniso. Comrades, ngeke ngibe mude ngoba iprogram eyinhlile. Ngixoxisele motherboard ngixoxisele motherboard. Iprogram eyinhlile and namhlanje Saturday. So iyinhlile ayithanda ukuhlala kwigcina ama-meeting kakhulu ngoSaturday. We are very busy. Angithi noma usibone endaweni la khona kudlala ingoma kakhulu sisuke singayiyoka ngase-recruit membership. So young people must be everywhere. Where there is a young person, the youth league must be there. Now, members, one of them, Baba was in down my car, is always a membership. So we're not going to be here for long, comrades. Comrades, youth league, Young Kondo, is the biggest youth league you can ever find in the country. Youth league, Young Kondo. Youth league emele inakekele wonke ama-youth leaguers in the country. Kwi-youth league, sine-understanding eyodwa ukuthi uma uswele umsebenzi njengomuntu omnyama omusha, akukhethelekile ukuba uyi-DA, akukhethelekile ukuba uyi-ANC lefayo, akukhethelekile ukuba uyinkatha. Uma ungumuntu omnyama omusha eSouth Africa, incindezelo ayikhethile. Umzabalazo olidwa i-Youth League ye-MK, umzabalazo wabo bonke abantu abamnyama abasha abacindezelwe. Sikusho lokho ngoba i-Youth League ye-MK iyona which is an advanced youth league you can ever find in the country. Sizabalaza without money. Sizabalaza without parliamentary position. Sizabalaza without any food on the table. I'm speaking here with you today. Abanye mabehamba la abazi bazofika ebahleni. Abanye who came here, they came through a transport through their friends. But because they believe in the youth league and its message, they are here. Ungenzeka lokho kuyouth league kagogo. Meeting kumele kwenze ibhash. Akho bhash. So we are the biggest youth league, comrades. They must not confuse you. This youth league, you must believe in it. It's not led by fly-by-night, walk-by-day, half-cooked, self-proclaimed revolutionaries who do not know whether the sun is going or coming. It's led by proper leadership. Comrades, but the revolutionaries can only be led by disciplined leaders. It cannot be led by comrades who are not disciplined. Because discipline is a cornerstone of our revolution. Akhathalelekile ukuthi uhlakanipheka kangakanani. Akhathalelekile ukuthi ufunde kangakanani. Akhathalelekile ukuthi unethombe kangakanani zabobuncamalala umsholozi. Akhathalelekile ukuthi usweta kangakanani. If you are not a disciplined, selfless leader, you are useless in the revolution. Now, uba kanjani ilunga le-MK noma le-MK ube wazi kahle ukuthi iprogram izohlala. Ubhale iposter enelogo ye-MK, le-MK uyibhale ufake. Uzwisende nagroupini. You claim to have MK and the MK youth league with everything that you have, but you have guts and the feelings of writing fake in a program that you know is not fake. Because Lendo is not done by ANC people. It is done by comrades who wear our t-shirts, who sing our songs, who eat with us, who dance with us, who are here with us. Let me tell you, if one's a long Cuba, uyeke. Akukhathalelekile akukhathalekile ukuthi uNkosi umnyanya kangakanani, akukhathalekile ukuthi uNkosi mumbi kangakanani. Vala amehlo ulalele into azoyikhuluma bese uyaphuma. Don't write fake. And into engiphatha kabuhlungu kakhulu, abanye ababhala labo fake basuke behleli nabantu abadala bakumangabodi. Abantu abadala abasupporta uNgqondo because ngeke uthi uthanda umkhonto kodwa ama-meeting omkhonto wena ofuna ukuthi angahlali. You are not MK. You are still a dying ANC inside. You are not transformed. That is why you can go around sabotaging the programs of the organization. The unity, comrades, in unity is non-negotiable. In unity, comrades, is non-negotiable. Awukho umzabalazo esowina uma sihlukahlukene. Sibangi lutho. Uma comrades nibanga kanje kuyiclick. Niyofika ninjani emkhombeni kwangempela? Niyofika kulelele. The very same thing that is happening in the ANC, we must make sure it doesn't grow here in Umkhonto weSizwe. It doesn't matter if you think I'm ugly, I'm uneducated, I'm stupid. But uma ngisawukhonvina wezone, umkhonvina weprovince, ngicela unginike ithuba ngilide, nawe lakho ithuba liyeza. Uma wena ungangihloniphi mina ngu-coordinator, mhlawumbe usungenile nje uhlonipha kanjani. So unity, comrades, is very paramount. Unity can never ever be negotiated. It's non-negotiable. Because united we stand, but divided we fall. Niyakhala hey, iyuklika ayingenanga kahle eParliament, ayingenanga ema-legislature, asibazi abantu abangenile, but also yourself you are divided amongst yourself. Comrades, kunento ngifuna ni-understand. MK is bigger than all of us. MK is bigger than all of us. Comrades, we are all want to understand why is the MK. Angeke ubhale kwi-poster ye-organization ubhale ufake. Angeke ufonele amabhasi uthi awakhansela wangayi lapho. Angeke ukudla okuzolethwa because unamandla wena uthi angayi lokhu ukudla because angifuni le program. Umkhonto, comrades, is bigger than all of us. But why is it umkhonto weSizwe? Umkhonto weSizwe akusona isitokfela sakaKhanyile. Umkhonto weSizwe akuyona i-private company yakaKhanyile. Umkhonto weSizwe wakhiwa ubaba uNxamalala as the last gift he is offering to the downtrodden masses of our people. UNxamalala said, this is our last run towards our own liberation. We are going to use Umkhonto as our own vehicle towards our total emancipation. Wakhelwe abantu abamnyama. Iyona inqola engakwazi ukukhulula abantu abamnyama. Wasinikeza umkhonto, wathi nanku umkhonto wakheli, ningazakheli nina, nakhele abantu abamnyama abahluphekile kini nakubo bonke abakhona eNingizimu neAfrika. Wena ngoba uzomkhalila uthi program fake. Killing the very same organization that was built for the total liberation of the oppressed, toiling masses of our people. Because you don't understand why kunomkhonto. Ucathi umkhonto nje la ukuthi uzokwenza lezi ezenziwa abantu abasha kube likhaya. Umkhonto ucathi ufunda ikhathi undikhathi bese ngiyawathaba umkhonto awakhelwe lokho kodwa sisho ukuthi nifike ngcolile phela emkhontweni gezani ngifunda amakhathi nenze ikhaya you know comrades loyalty is everything not loyalty to your friend loyalty to an organization you know with me personally after joining Umkhonto because of speaking my head I've lost so many friends including some of them that I was dating they come to me but I said I can rather lose you as my girlfriend I can rather lose you as my friend but I can't lose Umkhonto so that I can have you as my friend if the little of Umkhonto let's Abanisa so be it hot Madokis Umkhonto comrades it demands maximum loyalty comrades you know what is loyalty to the organization loyalty is not tested when you're still a convener loyalty is not tested when you're still a coordinator loyalty is not tested when you're still a parliamentarian loyalty is tested when you are removed from those positions then we see you that are you still Umkhonto even if you are not in a position of leadership. That is when you are tested. You are only tested during the trying times, when it is difficult. You are not tested when it's nice. We must see you that you are going to be Umkhonto even if you are removed or even if you are overlooked as a parliamentarian. Your loyalty to the organization is tested when you genuinely believe that your organization is not treating you fair. Lento ke comrades engifundisa yona angimtsheli ngetheory. Ngimtshela ngepractice. Uyabona nje mina ngike parliament. Angike legislature. Angilo councillor. Kuthe maqeda kuvodwa comrade Gqondo. Qedwa kuvodwa. Ukugqondwa lobhuti lo cebukho abakubona kumulika busy lo wathi TikTok abakubona abakubona so comrades uyazi ngimtshela iqiniso kangiready ukuthi ay comrades sengifunde kahle ipolitiki ayinamhlambe nami ngizoba khona laba bazokhetha beyo represent organization ngicathi sengifundile manje bathi kuhole cha awukabi ready awazi lutho bakhona abangcono kunawe hlala phansi ngahlala phansi ngaqhubeka nawo Umkhonto baningi esigijimeni nabo sayovota banende bashayela abasibaboni ndawo iba Umkhonto ungekho esikhundleni uba Umkhonto usesikhundleni uba Umkhonto wesikhishwa esikhundleni uba Umkhonto nomsiyo Nitshela iGround Force ipost yama-Ground Force. So comrades, loyalty must full a revolution. Ibalulekile. Comrades, we have done something which is very historical. Siwine ama-elections TNT. Etswana University of Technology. They will contest on the ballot. But to abantu abavote Umkhonto wantiki. Bayithe ungalenza mali Umkhonto, Umkhonto goes Umkhonto waniki. Abathi lokhu kwasitswana Sepedi and other languages. See, we know comrades, they were saying EMK is a Zulu party. Satellite. Safika eTshwane, e-University of Technology yaseTshwane. Sathola ama-seat e-main campus, sathola ama-seat eMbongela campus, sathola ama-seat eHlanzeni, sathola ama-seat e-Rainbows, sathola ama-seat e-Rubens. Umkhonto bayabuka kanye nekanye. Ayikho lento leyo ukuthi sawubona eShambeni. Bayabulela. Sinehlala. Okusho ukuthi umkhonto inhlangano. And into engenza ngibe proud, iUklika ishaya izandla ngoba bengivona ugqoka isikipha sakhona nje isikole. Bafo. So comrades, can I be protected? Viva, Bogota, viva! Comrades, EMK the NKSM student movement. Entire audio comrades. Says one comrades. Entire audio. EMK student movement. The MK League. Inteyodwa inhlangano yabantu abasha bomkhonto. Ukuthi ngeke ukwazi ukuvula iMK student movement ewathi. Kanti iClick ikhona ewadini, ikhona ema-university, ikhona emsebenzini, ikhona everywhere. So long as you are 14 years and 25 you are in. Ilecture efundisa less than 35 ngaba iClick. In fact, if you click the MK student movement, kumele babisana. Uma student movement city, siya contest elections, we want more qualified lecturers. If you click must say, these lecturers are our members, can we talk with them in one meeting? I'm happy that it's part of student movement that you click. Nibala, nobody hold it, but I'm asking. So you must not fight and imagine things that are not there. It's not necessary. Comrades, kubalulekile ukufunda. iUklika says we must go to school. Uma usiminyaka isakuvumela, hamba esikoleni. Uma iminyaka isakuvumela, iba ne-training ethize. Kungathi masithatha uhulumeni, mase sifuna abantu abaskilled, awukwazi kwenza lutho. Awukwazi ngisho ukugunda ikhanda, awukwazi ngisho ukulunga. Masifuna ukuthi saluni izinto, amasaluni amanango angwala lapha, awukwazi ukugunda ikhanda. You ought to have a particular skill as a youth. Awukwazi ukunkana notshwala week in, week out. Yazi mina ngoba mina ngiyinhliki yeqiniso. Ungathola ukuthi nabashaya izandla abantu abathathu. Uthi bakhothile ukuvalana. Omunye bandla ibabalazi ikhanda liyasinda. Comrades, education is very important. Comrades, sikhathele eThekwini ukuthi maqasha amaphoyisa aqashwe ngesikhethelelo. Kade phuma amaposta amaphoyisa kwaqashwa la abantu be-MK abaningi asikaze sibone ngisho yedwa othi thina siqashiwe ngaba yiphoyisa ngapha yini. Uvele qasha umuntu obona ukuthi ubona ubhuti lo akwazi nje ukugijima lo. Uvele ubona ngabamba sikisikirini ngisho wona futhi. Ngiyamngathekisa. Aqashwa comrades, uqashwe ngeqiniso. Comrades, Mhlambe masithi sifuna ukuyiswa ANC uphele ithi sinenzono. Asinayinzono. I-ANC organization isoze yasisiza ngalutho. Kade befaka ama-EPWP before ama-elections. Kwaphela ama-elections bawakhansela ama-contract wonke for EPWP. Sasithe thina ama-EPWP akanyusela umholo abe ne-medical aid. After voting bawakhansela ama-EPWP. Comrades, sengivala nje ayikho into ekuthiwa i-GNU. I-GNU inhlanganisela kaKhongolose ne-DA. I-GNU umshado kababa uSirili nomama oqobo Helen Zille. Uma ufuna ukunderstand i-GNU, inhlanganisela kababa uSirili Ramaphosa nogogo uHelen. Bahlukanisana ngekhundla kudliwa imali. But there's no GNU. Because if it was GNU, Umkhonto weSizwe was supposed to be leading KwaZulu-Natal. Because if KwaZulu-Natal we won elections convincingly. If it was GNU, Umkhonto weSizwe, EFF, all other organizations are supposed to be in that government. Ngoba i-GNU inhlanganisela yezinhlangano zonke zombusazwe. Government of National Unity. So there's no GNU community. But comrades you ayikwazi ukuthula sibe sarojwa ama-elections. Comrade qiniso. I-Youth League ayikwazi ukuthula sibe sarojwa ama-elections. Because we don't want a Youth League of gentlemen. We don't want a Youth League that wants to please old people. Uhlezi ufuna ukuba correct ngoba ufuna ukuyinqengela kwi-motherboard. Khona ama-penny program izokuthengela ihenesi i-motherboard. Ngoba ngisaphuza usaphuza ngehenesi. Udayisa umzabalazo uyidayisela iy'tifu zehenesi. I-Youth League cannot be a Youth League of henesi. Umzabalazo kumele uqhubeke. Uvuka ibambe akahamba webamba. Uma behleli bekhuluma eParliament abantu abadala, uma behleli bexoxisana, i-Youth League must be on the street. And to the report of support. Even if you get arrested, ngizombiza ngoba kumsholo zixolise eqala bethi baba kwenzeke iphutha xolisilethele indani I'm sorry. Uphume ejele eqhubeka. But we don't want a Youth League yabantu abathanda ukuncenga nokuncetheza. Ukuthi labo Youth League uzela ukuthi mhla sekhethwa amakhansela khona uzoba seduze kokukhethwa kwekhansela. Njenge Youth League awuzabalazela ukuba ikhansela, awuzabalazela ukuba imeya, awuzabalazela ukuba MP.